Stop, Jordan. Just be still. Okay, so I was supposed to be waiting for Asia to do my March Walmart unboxing, but she is busy getting her hair done. And Jordan don't hold his camera up. Oh my God, hold it like that. Thank you. Anyway, so I have Jordan holding my phone for me. All right, so for those that don't know, the Walmart beauty box is $5 every 3 months, and they ship it straight to your house. It's $5. That's it, not $5.99, $5 whatever, just straight $5 or whatever. And this is what the box looks like when it comes. So let's open it and see. Oh my God! If you don't be still, you're making me dizzy. Stop. All right. So the first product we have, boy, hold it like this.
My legs, my hands hurt.
How does your hand hurt? You just started. Okay. Be still. And I'm gonna give you candy. Okay. So the first product we have is the Purifying Brightening Peel Gel. This boy. It's a mask. Whatever. It is a mask. So the next product that we have is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration. I've used the Aveeno lotion before, so I'm going to use this because I know that I like it. Oh, whatever. But my baby, my youngest, Dakota, cannot use the Aveeno for some reason. I think she's allergic to the oatmeal. But anyway, so then they have the Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. And it's like this. Let me spray and make sure it works. You know what? It come out like foamy at first, and then it get wet. It's like wet, but then it turned into the like an ointment. So it does work. Kind of creepy how they do that. Boy, if you don't be still. Then they sent a full-size lipstick. This is Maybelline. Oh my God. This is Maybelline lipstick. And it's in the color Almond Rose. Let me see if I can open it. It's in the color Almond Rose. This is the color. And I'm not going to be wearing that unless I put...
Mommy, why do you put the lip gloss on your hand?
So that they can see it, baby. So, Lord Jesus. So this is... I can't stand you, Jordan.
My hands hurt.
Okay, just a little while longer, okay? Okay. So this is the color of the lipstick or whatever. And probably not gonna be wearing that unless I wear it with the lipstick. I mean, I'm sorry, lip liner, a darker lip liner. Okay, and then you have the Dove Go Fresh. What is this? Rejuvenate Body Wash. And they send Dove quite often. So I already have, it's actually right here. I have the Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash from another one. But yeah, so I like to keep these in case, you know, you go out of town or you go spend the night at somebody's house. You just have some soap to take with you. And oh my God, while Jordan is showing the top of my head, let me show you the last part. The last product is the Color Sensation Shaping Lip Liner, and it's clear. And it says, shape the curves of your lips with our creamy automatic lip liner. I don't really need that. I think this is for people that have small lips and want their lips to be more defined. My lips are already big, so I don't really need to define them no more. But if you want to, then you will get something like this in the color clear. So I'm going to try it anyway just to see what it does. So that's the end of the video. The Walmart unboxing for March. And I will see y'all next time. It's just Chrissy. Bye. Oh my God.